When you convert your website into a mobile app, you need to handle different links of the website. Some links are good to display in the app and some are not. In example, in this website, there are some social media links. In general, opening these links in the app is not a good practice. So the better solution is, opening these links in device browser or in the associated social media app is a good practice. Here comes the Exclude URLs setting, which lets you control which URLs you want to open in the app and which not. If you choose the option Only specified URLs can be displayed, then entered URLs in the allowed list will be opened inside the app. If you choose the Another option Specified URLs cannot be displayed, then URLs those are not in the disallowed list will be opened inside the app. And to allow all URLs to be opened in the app, you can choose the Any URL can be displayed option. Suppose now we want a configuration where the social media links and the electronics page to be displayed outside the app. So let's choose Specified URLs cannot be displayed in the app option and let's enter all the disallowed URLs. You can enter the full URL or the part of the URL here. So now the social media links as well as the electronics page link will be opened outside the app. Let's now build the app. Our app building is completed and let's test the app. Great, everything is working as defined, and it was a short tutorial to make you understand the usages of Exclude URLs in the app.